2017 Honda Accord cabin and air filter replacement. So for the air filter, after you pop your hood, you want to come over here. This is where it is. This is the housing. There's these spring clips right here. Just pull these off. Just push the top part on it, and then you're going to just gently pull this outwards and lift it up. Now it has a wire on it, so be careful, but you could just set this upside down and then grab your filter and pull it out. There's two little spots on this filter. There's a little notch right here on this corner piece, and then there's a little tab. I'll show you where the tab is. Here's my part number from the dealer. This is a Honda air filter. This is from the dealership. It has this corner piece here, and then up in this spot is where the corner piece goes. So when you put it in, just put it like that. Also, there's a tab in the front of it right here. That's supposed to just be towards the front, and that's how it goes in. And then we'll just go ahead and put this air box housing back on. Pretty much just put it back in this little rubber boot. And there's two tabs on the bottom you need to make sure that are in as well. So get it in the boot, and then make sure the two tabs in the bottom that you go into them, and then you should be able to push this down in the front. It'll kind of pop down, and then you could put these clips back on. All right, so that's the air filter. Now we're going to move to the cabin filter. Here's my part number for my cabin filter. I got this from the dealership as well. This is the Honda part number. You want to pop your glove box open. You want to come right here first and take your thumb and put it on the little rigid part and push straight down, just like this. That'll unlock this, and you could just pull it out. All right, and then you're gonna put in the two sides of the glove box. Do it with two hands if you can, and then just pull this gently down. All you need to do is get it down a little bit. There's our cabin filter air box housing. So to get this out, there's little tabs on the side, on each side. Just undo the tabs on this little front panel part. This will come off. Once this is off, you could just take note of this. There's a airflow arrow pointing down. You want to make sure when you put your new filter in that the arrows point down as well. I'll show you what I mean. So we'll just pull this out. All right, so it's a little dirty. We got a new one here. So my new one also says airflow on it, and I'm gonna make sure the arrows are pointing down. That's just so when the fan or the blower motor sucks air down into it, the filter works the best when it's pointing this direction. All right, so get that back on. That should just clip into place, and then you could just gently lift up your glove box. Careful not to hit the switch. Lift up this glove box, and then once it's in like that, we'll just hook this back up, this hook, connect it. Just go from underneath and push it in. It should grab it, and that's it. That's how to do your cabin. Hopefully this video helps you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video.
You're pretty good, but your style is no match.